Good morning. Well, I really didn't feel like getting out of that bed this morning, especially knowing that I had awakened in the middle of the night and couldn't go right back to sleep. So I really don't want to get out of bed, and I'd rather just sit here and just watch TV. But I know that's not the right thing to do. We got to get this day started. So let me just go ahead and check the time and just see what all I gotta do today. Okay, I got a lot on my plate. So let me get this bed made, even though I'd rather still be in it and just lying there to catch up on rest. But can we really catch up on rest? I don't think so. But sleep is so very important to your mental health and just physical health too. So let me just go on ahead and get my day started. Open up these blinds. It looks sunny out there. I was very surprised to see that. It doesn't look cold, but I bet it is so cold out there. But let the sunlight shine through, puts me in a better mood. And go ahead and get my shower started. I'm gonna go on to the bathroom. It's something about a good old warm shower that kind of sets the tone for me. And anyway, when you get those all those necessary things out of the way early, do all those things that the day could get away from you before you've done it, and you look up and it's like 12 and you're like, whoa, I haven't taken my shower, brushed my teeth. So once you get those things out of the way early, like getting your bed made, your bath, you're brushing your teeth, and this dreaded weigh in. I had gained 3 pounds. I was not happy about that. But I'm starting to fill up my bottle here with all my waters, so that's gonna make me feel really accomplished to get all them in. But that weigh-in was like, I've gained 3 pounds since I was on vacation. But that's okay. We're gonna get back on track. That's not a big deal. We always know what to do after that weigh-in. It's trying to, kind of let you know what it is that you have to do for the rest of the week to get back on track. And then I started to read for 30 minutes like I always do every morning. And I try to do 30 minutes before bed at night. Get caught up on all my reading, affirmation, devotional, anything that I'm trying to learn during this time. So it usually is a good time to knock it out in the morning. Get that water in right there. So I can feel, like I said, accomplished. All these things make me feel great because staying well hydrated is one of the things that's great self-care, and it keeps me feeling great that I'm taking care of myself. Let me check the weather here, and I'm seeing that it looks warm out there, but I bet it's cold. And yep, it's sunny, but it's cold outside. I'm gonna check my work phone, see what I have to do today, so I do have a lot to do. Y'all take care.